designer, and here I'd like to talk about graphic design mainly. I'm passionate about making random brands. So today's video is creating a juice brand. We have 3 flavors. We're not going to concern ourselves with any marketing behind it, it's just fun. So I have to create a logo color type packaging, the 3 flavors. So yeah, the name of the brand is going to be Pop and Fruit. So I have created a bit of a mood board just to collect some ideas, get my creativity on. So I'm still debating on how exactly what direction I want to go with this, because I'm either going to go for a more minimalistic style or go with something else. I think I'm going to try and combine like a more of a simple illustration with like a vintage retro style, but we will see. So yeah, this is my mood board, and hopefully we'll get something good. I really like this one. I like how simple it is, and I think I'm going to try and get this sort of feel. I really like these droplets here as well. I think that might be something that we might steal. And I really like these colours, so I think I might mix about with this sort of style with this sort of style, I think. And a lot of these sort of drinks have little droplets, which I really like, and they're quite colourful as well, so we will see how that works. And this is what we are working with. This is the packaging that I'm working with. We obviously have the 3 flavours, and this is what I'm thinking about the layout. So we'll obviously have the name, logo, we'll have some sort of information being like 100% organic, a illustration, and I'm thinking about having the fruits that are in here. So we'd have a pineapple, apple, and then obviously here we'd have 3 of them in here, and then obviously 1 litre. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we need is a logo, and the name is Pop and Fruit. Right, so I find these 4 fonts that I'm drawn to for the logo, and this is the sort of layout that I'm thinking of having, at least at the moment, and then potentially having some droplets, but focusing on the font right now, I think I really like this one. I like this one, but I don't feel like it works for what I'm aiming for, so let's get rid of that. I'm not too sure. I think this is too thin, but I'm worried that this is too thick, and I really like the kind of, just the lines of this. It just, like, I really like this T specifically. Yeah, I think this is the one. It feels good. So yeah, this is the one. So yeah, let's continue, see where this goes. Right, so I created 3 different logos, tried this out, don't like it. This is not really that good either. I like this idea. I'm not too sure about these 2. There's something missing though. I think this is it. Yeah, I think this might be it. Yes, I added 2 squiggles on either side because there was just something missing here. And I didn't like the idea of wrapping it around to make this sort of circle shape. I may also add the little droplet inside the O, and I think it looks cool. Yeah, so let's move that onto the packaging. Right, so this is how it would look like on the bottle. Now we need the illustration. Right, so we have our carrot, and now I'm going to do the pineapple, and then I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do for that. Just realised I can't think of how a pineapple looks like. Pineapple. Oh. I think I might do it like this. Yeah. Might have to do a pineapple as well because this is not clear. Actually, I remember on my Pinterest board there was a pineapple. That. Yeah, pineapple. How did they do that? Yeah, I'm gonna try again and do something like this. If that doesn't work, I'll do a full pineapple. Alright, that doesn't look like a pineapple either. Let's scrap that idea, stick it over here. Maybe I can fix it later. But for now, we'll just look at a real pineapple. That's perfect. And I think for this one we'll do a, I think a strawberry. Yeah, we'll do a strawberry for this one. Yeah, I think this works, at least for now. So what else do we need? So we have the main illustrations, now we need the fruits. So we need a mango and an orange. Let's have a look at some oranges. Oh, we couldn't do it like this. This is cool. Oh yeah, I'm gonna split it instead because it's not quite clear what this is. This could be an apple or whatever. This kind of looks like a watermelon instead. So what I might do is add something else potentially. Yeah, because that really looks like a watermelon. I think we might go back to the circle because that's a bit more clear compared to this. And then we need a mango. And how does a mango look like? It is awfully similar. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, show me.
So this
Oh, I
is
like
what I
that.
have.
That looks sick. I like the colours we got. Looks really nice. logo.
I think I'm going to do a couple more changes, and I think it's done. I think I'm going to add some shading on this because this is a bit unnatural.
Yeah, definitely.
And then,
on this one, why did you go with the filled in white strawberry but not on the others?
Because I chose to.
It
looked
I'd
cool
say
on
keep
this.
It uniform.
Oh, I thought that too, but I couldn't be bothered.
I'd say on that one it's alright, on the main one it's alright.
Yeah, I thought to keep this, and then I thought the same, but
I didn't even notice that you'd done it on the other one. Like it didn't stand out in the way of like, oh, it looks wrong. It looks. I really like the popping fruit one logo. That's it.
And then I'm gonna add a little background to them all, just to feel cool.
Yeah, I could do it. So.
Yeah. Okay. Right, so I did the final touches. I have given them a background each, similar to the main colours. I've given them a bit of more shading and highlights on the bottles. And yeah, that's done. So, the next video I was thinking of doing something again from scratch, maybe like a bakery from scratch or a cereal brand. I'm not too sure yet, but we will see. And I will see you again next time, whenever that is.